Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So in this week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over what's the difference between slip solution and tack solution. I see that question come up in our comments section quite frequently, so I figured in this video, I'm going to go over that in detail. I got a bottle of tack solution here, I got a bottle of slip solution here, and I got a scrap piece of film, and we're going to use it on the side of this Ford F-350. And I'm going to go into explaining the differences between the two. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so as you can see, we got our scrap paint protection film piece here on the side of the box. I got a ton of slip solution sprayed down underneath the film. And as soon as I let go of the film, it's starting to slide down. And if I don't stop it, eventually it's going to end up on the floor. So slip solution is basically just there to glide the paint protection film around. To glide it into place. That's when you would want to use your tack solution. Once you have the film lined up where it needs to be, tack solution, that's the solution that you want to be using to lock the film into place. So with the slip solution, I'm just going to spray even more underneath here. I'm going to show you what happens when you squeegee down just with slip solution. Look at how easy this glides around. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, I'm going to pull the film off. I'm going to squeegee all of this side of the panel down. I'm going to show you what happens if you use tack solution. Put the tack solution down, and it doesn't slide or anything. Like you can see that it was starting to bite already. Now, if I just squeegee this corner down and I pull on the film, you can see how much I have to pull to get that to release. So when you're doing your PPF installations, you don't want to be doing just with slip solution. You don't want to be doing it just with tack solution. You want to be using the two. Now, the next video that we're going to do is I'm going to go over when is the right time to use slip solution, when is the right time to use tack solution. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video where I just went over what the difference between the two solutions are and why you need to use both of them when doing your installation. If you want to learn how to mix the two solutions properly, I'm going to link that video in the description down below. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more PPF content.